You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to remove the lock screen password, PIN, or pattern on your Android phone. Open the Settings app, tap on Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Security. Tap on Screen Lock or Device Lock. You will be prompted to enter your current PIN, pattern, or password. After entering, you will see the lock screen options. Select None or swipe to remove the security. Confirm if asked. Your lock screen is now removed. If none is not available, your device may have a security policy preventing it, such as a work profile or device administrator app. To check, go to Settings, Security, Device Admin Apps, disable any active administrators. Then try again. On some phones, you must first set an alternative method like Smart Lock. Go to Security, Smart Lock, and set up trusted places or devices to keep your phone unlocked in safe situations. Removing the lock screen reduces security. Anyone can access your phone. Consider the risks. To re-enable, go back to Screen Lock and choose a method. If you forgot your password, you may need to factory reset your phone, which erases all data. Use the Forgot Pattern option after several failed attempts if available. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.